Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Why does falling in love make people love sick? Have you ever wondered why falling in love can make someone act a little funny, dreamy, or distracted? Don't worry, it's a common experience around the world. Why people sometimes feel lovesick when they fall in love. 1. Your brain becomes a daydream factory. Reason, you keep thinking about that special person even when you're supposed to be doing something else. 2. Your phone suddenly becomes interesting. Reason, every notification sounds like it might be from them. 3. Smiling for no obvious reason. Reason why happy thoughts can appear out of nowhere. 4. Song suddenly makes sense. Reason, love song starts feeling surprisingly relatable. 5. Time moves differently. Reason, waiting for a message feels long but talking to them feels short. 6. You become a weather expert. Reason, a sunny day feels sunnier when you're thinking about someone special. 7. Your memory gets selective. Reason, you remember their favorite snacks but forget where you left your keys. 8. Mirrors become popular. Reason, you might spend a little extra time checking your appearance. 9. Ordinary places feel special. Reason, a simple cafe or park can suddenly feel memorable. 10. Your comrades notices first. A reason, they seem the big smile before you do. 11. You start practicing conversation. Reason, even simple greetings get rehearsed like a movie scene. 12. Small things feel exciting. Reason, a kind message can brighten an entire day. 13. You become an accidental poet. Reason, regular words suddenly sound more creative. 14. Butterflies, not your stomach. Reason, excitement and anticipation can create a fluttery feeling. 15. You want the best for someone. Reason, caring about another person's happiness becomes important to you. Falling in love can make people feel lovesick because emotions become stronger, thoughts become sweeter, and everyday moments can feel more exciting. While everyone experiences it differently, one thing is common. Love often brings a little extra joy, hope, and laughter into life. If you ever caught yourself smiling at your phone for no reason, congratulations, you might understand what lovesick feels like. Stay kind, stay positive, keep spreading good vibes.